Achieving your first muscle up might feel impossible, but trust me, it's not. In this video, I will share with you an effective strategy so that you can make it possible and achieve your first ever muscle up. Plus, make sure to stick around so that you can get your hands on a free program with all the tools that you need to succeed. Alright, let's get into it. The muscle up is on a whole other level of bodyweight mastery. Unlike a pull-up or a chin-up where you're just getting your chin above the bar, in a muscle up, you have to launch your whole body over top of the bar. So, how strong do you need to be? Here is a general guideline. Weighted chin-up or weighted pull-up. Aim for one rep with at least 40 to 55% of your body weight added. Weighted dip. Aim for one rep with 30 to 40% extra weight. Standard muscle ups. 2 sets of 2 reps with a small to extra small resistance band. These are benchmarks, not hard rules. And don't worry, if you're not there yet, we'll get you there. The best way to build muscle up strength? Add in weight. But before adding weight, make sure that you can do at least 3 pull-ups or chin-ups and 3 bodyweight dips with good form. Once you've clocked body weight, you're ready for the weighted variation. Increase your strength over time by adding 1 to 2.5 kgs per week while decreasing reps. I know this can be challenging to grasp just through a video, so I've put together a free how-to muscle up workout program. In it, you'll find everything you need: easy to follow warm-ups, detailed technique breakdowns, video demonstrations for each exercise, the full workout plan, and results tracking. Just click the link in the description to get started. Now, strength isn't the only component of the muscle up. Technique is crucial. Unlike a pull-up's vertical path, the muscle up requires a blend of explosive power, precise timing, and coordination. Start with banded muscle ups to learn and refine the skill. Here is a quick breakdown. Grip. Hands over the bar, not just on it. Swing. Create a controlled swing to lengthen your body, engaging your muscles and tendons to create explosive power upward. Path up. Unlike a straight pull-up, think of a backward 7. Pull yourself out, around, and over the bar. Chest to bar. At the peak, pull your chest aggressively to the bar. Finish! Extend your arms to complete the muscle up. For a more detailed breakdown of the technique, you can check out my other video that is entirely dedicated to mastering the skill. How long will it take you to get your first muscle up? If you follow the guidelines that I have set out in the free program, you will progress as fast as is possible. Consistency is key. Sticking with the program 2 to 3 times per week will lead to faster progress than sporadic training here and there. If you are consistent, it is possible for you to achieve your first ever muscle up in 12 to 24 weeks. Obviously, this time frame may vary depending on your starting strength level. Don't let these simple steps fool you to thinking that this is easy. The muscle up journey is a challenge, but stay consistent, patient, and persistent. Trust me, the feeling of achieving your first ever muscle up will be so freaking worth it. Let me know in the comments below, what is your biggest muscle up struggle? And if this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more training tips. If you're keen to fast track your muscle up progress, check out this video. It is full of wisdom bombs that will help you to avoid common mistakes and speed up your muscle up journey. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!